Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your PlayStation Network account on a PC or mobile browser. This is faster than doing it on the console. Once signed in, go to Account Management Security. Make sure your phone number and recovery email are current. You need either SMS access or an Authenticator app on your phone. Do this now because you'll be asked to confirm a code. If those contact methods are wrong, you'll lock yourself out. Once in security, tap two-step verification and select SMS or Authenticator as your method. Choose Authenticator for stronger security. If you pick an app, scan the QR code or manually enter the secret key into Google Authenticator or Authy. That registers the PSN entry. Then type the one-time code your app or SMS sends to verify. After you enter it, the account flags will change, meaning your console will now require a second factor when signing in. You finish by saving the backup codes PlayStation gives you, print or write them down and keep them somewhere safe. This is your fallback if you lose access to your phone. Next, test signing into your Ps4. You should be prompted for the verification code. Enter one from your app or SMS. If the code is rejected, check time sync on your phone and the app. If that fails, use a backup code or start account recovery with PlayStation support. That single step often resolves lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.